Hi, welcome to Levi Law, answering your questions about car accidents. I'm attorney Daniella Levi. Today, I will answer the following question. Why should I hire a lawyer if I was injured in a car accident? The three main reasons you should hire a lawyer if you were injured in a car accident are: number one, a lawyer can help you get all your medical bills covered. Number two, a lawyer can help you get your lost wages reimbursed. And number three, a lawyer can help you get higher compensation from the insurance companies compared to what you would be able to negotiate on your own. If you have any questions about why you should hire a lawyer if you were injured in a car accident, call us. The consultation is always free and the advice is priceless. When you work with Daniella Levi and Associates, you'll have an entire team of accident attorneys and paralegals assigned to your case. You'll meet with your team in person, and if you call with a question, a member of your team will answer it. We know your case is important to you, and it's equally important to us.